Exercise 1. Side plank. Support your body on one forearm and stack your feet. Lift your hips and hold strong. This isometric move deeply activates your obliques and tightens the sides of your waist. Breathe steadily and don't drop your hips. Feel the shake. That's your side fat fighting back. Exercise 2. Mountain climber. Get into plank and drive your knees toward your chest one by one at a fast pace. Keep your core tight and back flat. This move fires up your abs, burns calories, and boosts heart rate quickly. Mountain climbers target lower belly fat while improving endurance. Push your speed and feel your belly start to burn. Exercise 3. Side mountain climber. From a plank position, drive each knee toward the same side elbow. This twist activates your obliques and attacks stubborn side fat. Keep your core engaged and move with control and speed. You'll feel your love handles working hard. Stay strong. Every rep is shaping a tighter waistline. Exercise 4. Plank jack. Start in a strong plank and jump your feet out and back in like a jumping jack. Keep your hips steady and core braced. This explosive move torches calories, tightens abs, and boosts fat burning fast. Control your breathing and keep moving. You're melting belly fat with every jump. Exercise 5. Spider-Man plank. From plank, bring one knee toward the same side elbow, squeezing your obliques hard. Move slowly and with control. This powerful core exercise sculpts your waistline and strengthens deep abdominal muscles. Feel that side crunch and stay steady. Strong core, flat stomach, keep pushing.